Veterans will no longer have to look any further for legal help because the Legal Services of Eastern Michigan wants to help them out. And joining me now is Julie. She's a staff attorney, and she's here to tell us all about their legal clinic that they have for veterans. How you doing?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Yes. Well, first thing, tell us a little bit about why it's so important to kind of, tap into the area of legal help for veterans, because I feel like sometimes they feel like they don't have any help, but they do. There are many resources available to them.
There are many resources available to them, and especially now with the Veterans Administration wanting to extend the services that are already available to veterans in the form of their benefits to include civil legal assistance.
Nice.
And Legal Services has been fortunate enough to get a grant called the Haven Grant.
Wow.
To enable us to provide those services to veterans to help them if there is any threat to home instability or homelessness. But what we want to make sure of is that we interact and intervene before they become homeless.
Yeah, and talk about that too. Like, what have you guys noticed since you guys have kind of been collaborating with the veterans to kind of help them in their time of need when it comes to homelessness?
It is important to reach veterans where they are.
Sure.
So outreach is a big thing that we're doing now, making sure that we attend any veterans resources fairs, or we reach out to any of the associations that assist veterans in the community, and also our county veteran agencies and services. Now, what we've noticed in the form of services is that veterans tend to be very well provided for. However, they don't see that they need legal services, or sometimes it's difficult for them to reach out and accept the help that's available. So what we want to do is make sure we make that available to them. And so what we've got coming up on July 25th is a Legal Services Veterans Clinic. So what that does is it allows veterans to make sure that they can reach out to us if they have questions on anything from expungement to housing concerns or even estate planning. We want to be able and available to answer any questions they may have.
Well, that clinic will be hosted here in Saginaw as well as Flint, correct?
Yes, they're going to be simultaneous, both in Flint and Saginaw. And hopefully folks will be able to get that information and register for the clinic. And if you can't register, just please come and be equipped with questions.
And what kinds of questions do you think they should really be asking? Because I know sometimes when you're dealing with a situation, you just don't know what to ask.
I think if you have something in your life that makes you wonder, should I get help? Should I have somebody look at these documents? Sure. My father passed away, for example, and the home is still in his name. You might need to have that probated. So that could be an issue with housing as well. So if you have anything in your life that you're not sure about, you don't know what you don't know, so please, it is important to come and ask the question.
For those who are watching, I know we already mentioned Flint and Saginaw, but what counties do you guys really cover?
We cover 14 counties.
Wow.
I'm going to name a few. Genesee, Sanilac, Clare, Saginaw, Bay, Midland, to name a few.
Yeah.
There are 14 counties. Please check our website for more information.
All right. Well, Julie, thank you so much. That was great information.
Thank you.